Fits. Doesn't fit. Why doesn't it fit? The report was okay. Nah. Of course, to really assure the fit of all parts all the time, the right tool is this. The new digital learning program of Festo Didactic and MA. The problem was that there are different interpretations of the technical drawing. The right interpretation of the specifications in the technical drawing is the content of this learning program. So sign in and start learning.